Hi everyone, Kathy from the e-learning media team. Today we're going to talk about the new Kaltura Capture, which is replacing Kaltura Capture Space. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is install it on your computer. However, I have a suggestion for you, and that is the first thing to do. Make a folder where you would like to store all the videos you create with the new Kaltura Capture. So on a Windows machine, you need to go into an Explorer window. I am actually going to store this in my videos library. So you go where you'd like to store it, click on New Folder, and then name it. I am going to call it Kaltura Capture Videos. Now, if you double click on this, and then click up here in the address bar, you will get that address highlighted, and you can just do a Control-C, and that will be saved on your clipboard, and you're going to use that here in a minute as we install Kaltura Capture. Alright, now you need to be logged into Canvas and go into any course where you can access My Media in the left-hand navigation menu. Once you click on My Media, then go up to Add New, and you'll see there's an announcement that Capture Space is going away on June 2019. So, right above that we see Kaltura Capture. This is the one we want to start using, and this is the one we're going to talk about today. So click on that. And now it tells you that you need to install this. So, I have a Windows machine. I'm going to click Download for Windows. And it is downloading now. Okay, it's downloaded, and now I am going to open it. And I want to run it. So it's taking a look at the machine, and then it has you click next. Okay, this is where we want to put that clipboard address that we copied right here, because as you can see that the default one is kind of hard to get to. Let's just put it that way. So what you can do is just highlight that whole thing, and you can either just go ahead and Control V to paste your address in there, or you can delete this first if it makes you feel a little better. Get rid of it, and then Control V. There's the one that I made, and you should see the one you made when you do this, and then click Next. So now it's ready to install, so I'm going to click Install, and this may take a little bit. Alright, completed the Kaltura Capture Setup Wizard. Finish. Alright, once it installs, go back and click on My Media again. This will just kind of refresh it. Then go up to the Add New and click on Kaltura Capture. Now you'll see I have a window pop up that says Open URL, Kaltura Protocol, ? Always open these types of links in the associated app. I want that to happen every time, so I'm going to check this box. And now it will open every time I click on Kaltura Capture. And then you click on the button below, and it is now opening. So this is what it looks like, and this concludes the install video. Stay tuned next for the setup video.